Welcome to this presentation of a healthy diet for type 2 diabetes. Making smart food choices and proper nutrition is essential for managing diabetes, which includes balancing the right amount of carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals, along with giving consideration to how individual foods affect blood sugar levels. Smart eating begins with creating the perfect plate, which includes 50% non-starchy vegetables, 25% lean protein, and 25% starches and grains. Limit unhealthy saturated and trans fats, since those with diabetes are at a higher risk for heart disease. Instead, choose healthy monosaturated and polyunsaturated fats that are heart healthy. If you have type 2 diabetes, fiber should play an important role in your diet because it helps control blood sugar, prevents blood sugar spikes, and reduces the impact of carbs. Fiber-rich foods keep you full longer and are therefore effective for weight management. Fiber-rich foods like whole oats, beans, and apples also reduce a most dangerous type of fat known as visceral fat or belly fat. It is also important to make sure to eat a meal or snack every 4 to 5 hours to prevent extreme drops in blood sugars. The Glycemic Index, GI for short, is a scale that ranks carbohydrates on a scale of 0 to 100 based on the impact they have in raising blood sugar levels after eating. Low GI foods that are nutrient-rich are part of a well-balanced and healthy diet for those with diabetes. It's important to realize that not all healthy foods are created equal. For example, compare iceberg lettuce with broccoli, and you will see that lettuce has less than 1 gram of fiber and no other impressive nutrients. Conversely, a serving of broccoli offers 3.8 grams of fiber, along with protein, iron, potassium, magnesium, and essential antioxidants like B12 and vitamins A and C. We will now review 11 superfoods that will keep your blood sugar stable and provide your body with important nutrients it needs.
Non-starchy vegetables, including peppers, artichokes, mushrooms, asparagus, and everything in between, satisfy the appetite and offer vital nutrients like fiber, minerals, vitamins, antioxidants, and phytochemicals. They are low in calories and carbohydrates and can be enjoyed liberally by people with diabetes. Diabetics can greatly benefit from berries because, unlike high-sugar fruits, they are low on the GI index and can safely satisfy a sweet tooth. Researchers at the University of Illinois report that blueberry and blackberry wines can help control blood sugar. Non-fat yogurt and milk have low GI scores and provide the recommended daily dose of vitamin D. Tomatoes are wonderful non-starchy vegetables that can be eaten in abundance due to their low GI score. They are sweet, juicy, and loaded with essential vitamins and antioxidants. One study published in the International Journal of Food Sciences and Nutrition found that 200 grams of raw tomato each day reduced risks of heart disease associated with type 2 diabetes and reduced blood pressure. Research has shown that people who eat nuts regularly have less risk of developing diabetes. Nuts have a low GI score, like peanuts that only score a 7. Walnuts provide fiber, magnesium, and omega-3 fatty acids, along with zinc, vitamin E, and protein. They also contain alpha-linolenic acid that boosts heart health and lowers cholesterol. Walnuts, peanuts, and almonds make great snacks. They are satisfying and will not cause sugar spikes. The pulp of the orange or grapefruit is a great source of fiber. And, unlike high-sugar fruit, these citrus powerhouses have low GI scores, with the orange at 40 and grapefruit scoring a very low 25. Great as a snack or at breakfast, these fruits can satisfy a sweet tooth. Those with diabetes should eat the whole fruit, and not in juice form, as juicing removes the all-important fiber and doubles the sugar content.
The attributes and benefits of kale and other leafy greens such as collard greens and Swiss chard cannot be overstated, as these are nature's superfoods that are low in calories and loaded with essential nutrients that keep you full longer and never impact blood sugar. Kale provides 100% of the recommended daily intake of vitamin A, C, and K, along with fiber and potassium. It makes a great wrap for sandwiches and burgers to substitute a high GI bread. Salmon provides omega-3 fatty acids, which lower risk of heart disease, an essential consideration for diabetics who are at a higher risk for cardiovascular problems. It is also low in calories and a high-quality protein that offers vitamin D and selenium for hair, bone, skin, and nail health. Experts agree that regular intake of whole grains reduces risk of developing type 2 diabetes, and they are an important dietary consideration for those already diagnosed because they provide important antioxidants and both soluble and insoluble fiber that helps to stabilize blood sugars, metabolize fats, and ensure digestive health.
Numerous studies have shown that beans help to control blood sugar and can reduce risk of heart disease for people with diabetes. Beans are highly nutritious, offering fiber and protein, and they are low on the GI scale, with black beans coming in at only 30 GI. Kidney, pinto, and lima beans are all great choices. Studies have also shown that beets can help diabetic-related nerve damage. Beets are also an excellent source of manganese, potassium, and copper. The fiber and magnesium they contain help to control blood sugar.
Remember to choose nutrient-dense foods that have a low GI score and eat every 4 hours to maintain optimal blood sugar health and keep your diabetes in check.